Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, these great artworks that people are doing on their face, and it's like amazing. It is like amazing. And I want to say, they are all so beautiful. But this is for those of us who are not as artistic, but we want to do fun things. And so, if you want to see how I got this easy neon winged eyeliner look, just keep watching. Alright. Let's get into this eyeshadow look. Eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm taking a hot pink and I'm just underlining my eye. I'm trying to do it without getting all up in my eye. And now just do the same on the other side. Okay. So I'm taking a hot pink and I'm just underlining my eye. I'm trying to do it without getting all up in my eye. And now just do the same on the other side. Okay, so that's the first step, is I underline with like the brighter color that I'm going to use. Because I also do this with like a blue, and I do a similar look with yellow. We'll clean that up in the end. Actually, no, I want you to put a little bit onto the upper eyelid. Just kind of rub it a little bit in there. So, a little bit about myself. I'm an ER nurse. I work also in a PACU, which is where it's called post-anesthesia care unit. After you have surgery, you wake up and you see me. Me. Oh, this is fun. This is fresh. I'm loving. Okay, what are we going to do next with this? Okay, so now we're going to take a highlighter shade. Sorry, I just really like this one shade that I got in my Ipsy Glam bag. I'm trying to, I don't know what I would be doing with makeup if I didn't get an Ipsy Glam bag. So I got all my new stuff, all my favorite brushes, like all the brush I just used on my eyes I just got. I'm really sad because I just had mine. Okay, so this is in the shade Moon Dust. I don't know if I can even read the brand. But what I do, hold on. Do I have any shimmery pinks? No, I do not. Because why would we put shimmery pink that matches this pink? Okay. So, let's check on that. Anyways, about myself. I'm a nurse. I have 2 jobs. 3, now that I'm doing this, because I've been doing this. I'm going to start doing this 3 days a week. 3 days a week. Anyways. As if I don't have 1,000 eyeshadow brushes, but when I'm looking for one, I cannot find the right one. Just make sure there's no blue on there. So last time I did this look was with a blue shade. Okay, so I'm actually mixing 2 highlighters together. Shimmer. I'm sorry, I lose my head if it wasn't attached. Okay. So I highlight the mess out of the inner corner of my eye. So it's like kind of like ombre, like a baby pink to a hot pink. And so then I just kind of, for this, like, sorry. Like I start here, and then I just slowly try to make it a little bit lighter as I come around. And just more highlight on. Inner corner highlight. Inner corner highlight. Inner corner highlight. Spray with the spray. See, I don't really put a lot of color on the top lid. Just like the slightest bit. So. Alright. Now, we're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try to do eyeliner for you on camera without it looking too dumb. Okay. Maybe because I have hooded eyes, I just can't stand putting on eyeliner. Okay, well, that never happens when I do my eyeliner. In real life. In real life. So, this is also what I do though, because they're never even remotely even. I just take eyeliner. Eye makeup remover, I mean. And let's be realistic. I'm not a professional, so when it doesn't match, I just keep going. Okay, alright, and now I'm back with lashes and eyeliner done. Okay, now let's just touch everything up. I feel like, let me see. Okay, so I'm gonna kind of touch up some of the pink, because I messed it up. I messed it up. I smashed it up. Okay, 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 okay. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow's done, I already have like foundation and I have foundation on. That's all I have on right now. It was a struggle to remember what I was done. It's a struggle. It's a struggle. Okay, so foundation is done. Eyeshadow's done. Concealer's on. Okay, we're gonna contour a little bit. Contour and bronze. Contour and bronze. That's what I love. A highlighter that doesn't make you look jank. So I don't highlight like my nose, and the only lipstick I ever put on, because I hate lipstick, is Jeffree Star, the shade Can't Relate. It's like a good nude. It's good for everything. I don't really like shit on my lips.
Alright guys, that's the end of this video. That's the end of this look. If you like the look, hit like, subscribe. Come back for more.